Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our text-to-speech faster in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for text-to-speech options and how to make it talk faster. We need to go to Settings, then we need to look for Accessibility options, here it is, and in TalkBack we have Settings. If we open Settings, we have text-to-speech settings right here. As you can see right now, our text-to-speech sounds like this.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
We can reset our text-to-speech to our stock values, how it was by default, or we can use the slider to make it faster to a ridiculous level.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
If we need to. That's it, no need to save, back out, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.